All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. Yeah. So, bumpy ride. Bumpy ride. Yeah, so look at this. It's up and down, so it's going to be a bumpy ride. Yeah. So like, let's say maybe a Jeep. Oh, okay. Say a car. Anything, let's have that. And mountain, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Oh, okay. With a mountain, here we are. Yeah, here we are. Okay, yeah. Bumpy ride. So things are not going to be easy. Yeah, things are not going to be easy. Something that won't be easy. Whew, easy or straightforward. No, it's going to be all over the place. Will not be straightforward. Oh, yeah. It will be a bumpy ride to the top of the mountain. Yeah. It's going to be a bumpy ride to achieve that goal. Yeah. It will be a bumpy ride. Bumpy ride to plan, write and record all the lessons. It is a bumpy ride with all these videos. Yeah, I have to think carefully and plan ahead. Think carefully and plan ahead. It won't be straightforward. Won't be easy. It'll be difficult. Stressful. Tiring. It won't be easy. No. It'll be a bumpy ride to Scotland, yeah. Going this way, that way, this way, that way. Won't be straightforward. Be going here, there, all over the place. Yeah. Do you think it'll be a bumpy ride? It might be a bumpy ride. Depends on how focused you are. If you're distracted easily, then it will be bumpy for you. Otherwise, you can figure out a routine. Yeah. How cool is that? And yet, sometimes the bumpy rides are the best. It is the journey and the bumpy ride that makes you who you are. It is the journey. It is the adventure and bumpy ride that makes it worthwhile and memorable. Yeah, the journey. No matter how bumpy or difficult or stressful, tiring it is, no matter how bumpy or tiring it is, it's part of the adventure. No matter how bumpy the ride is, it is part of the adventure. Yeah. It's part of the adventure. How cool is that? Yeah. Was it a bumpy ride to Scotland? It was a wild ride to Scotland. And across Scotland. Across Scotland. And I had great fun. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Bumpy ride. Yeah. So, can you use bumpy ride in a sentence? can you write it in the comments below, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too, looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.